I have a birthday haul today. Let me go ahead and show you my haul. I got 4 things for my birthday. And my first thing I'm going to show you guys is, oh, you guys, this is my new background. I talked about it in my last video. If you have not seen it, it is not quite done yet. I do have to wait for a couple of things that are back ordered that they did not have. I'm waiting for another pull-out drawer like this. Oh, no. And I'm waiting for a glass shelf on both sides, and I'm waiting for a couple of other pieces, so I'm really excited. And also a little perfume holder. It's like a little two-tier perfume holder, and I think it's going to look so pretty, and some kind of hooks here. So and also my jewelry holder, and I need to get SLG holders to separate it really nice. So once it's done, it's going to look so awesome. And I'm supposed to get a rug in here, but I really haven't found one that I really wanted. I wanted some type of Victorian rug, pink, but really pretty with some yellow and some gray in it. But I haven't really seen anything like that. It's just something in my head that I'm picturing that I want. So I've never seen a rug that I'm picturing in my head that I want. But if I can't find anything like that, I'm just going to get a basic pink and white or gray and white rug. So that's my goal, okay? And you guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and see what I got. My first unboxing is, ta-da! You guys, I don't like to buy luxury shoes. I have 4 already, 4 or 5, and I don't wear them as much. So cost per wear is just not worth it for me. But this here, I feel like is really worth it. It's casual, and I've been wanting it for a couple of years. So I'm kind of late in the game on this one because it's been out for a while. And my essay says, hey, Delane, if you don't buy it, eventually it's going to be gone because they came out with new slides. So you guys, I finally got my Gucci Bloom slides. I know a few of the YouTubers that I watch have these, and I could not wait to get them. Finally, I said, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and get them. I just, you know, I have other things to spend on my, spend my money on, but finally, I have a lot of bags already. So I felt like now is the time to get me something like this. It is so cute. I've already worn it once. It is so cute on with my jeans and t-shirt or a cute top. I love these. Oh my goodness. I love them so much. I'm so glad I got them. They did come out with new slides and I tried them on. I'm just not crazy about them as much. The colors on there, I just felt like this is brown and it just matches more versus the other ones that they just came out with. It's just too much color for me. So, another unboxing, you guys. I don't know if you guys ever heard of this brand. Loeffler Randall. Okay, they're not a high-end luxury shoes, but I did get these from Saks. And you guys, oh my goodness. I saw this. I told my essay, charge it on my account and I'm going to come get it. I got it from Saks. Look at these. Look how cute these are. Have little bows. They're Velcro. Another casual but cute, adorable shoes. I actually wore these today and oh my goodness, I really like them. So this bow does not untie, and this is a Velcro back here. It really looks cute on. While I was walking, I've actually seen a couple people look down and eye them. So look at that. So they fit your, they can fit thick feet, skinny feet, I guess. Next item. Jo Malone, you guys. I love Jo Malone perfume and I love Chanel perfume and Dior perfume. You know what? I take it all back. I love all perfume. Not every single one, but I love all the brands, okay? So with this, I got a free, I guess, makeup bag, Jo Malone makeup bag or whatever. And they gave me samples of, where's my glasses here? Body cream. This is a body cream. And Wild Bluebell body hand cream also. A lime basil mandarin body and hand lotion. So they gave me a sample of Jo Malone perfume in the fig and lotus flower. And also, can't read that one. So anyways, I got 2 samples, by the way, you guys. I'm sorry I can't read the second one too well. But I've been really into this scent here. And I asked my husband if we can go together to go get it. So we went to the mall together. And he got me the big bottle of Red Roses Cologne. You guys, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This smells so amazing. This smells so amazing. And you know what? I sprayed it on that day when I went to go buy it, and it lasted all day. It smells so good. I am so into the rose perfume, you guys. I'm so excited. I can't wait to get my perfume tree so I can add this to my collection on my perfume tree. So I'm gonna put that there. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. I'm so happy with that. And you guys, oh my goodness, I'm so excited about this. I have not looked at it yet, you guys. What do you guys think it is? It looks small, but we'll see. I haven't looked at it, so hopefully there's nothing wrong with this. Okay, I'm excited. I have not opened it. I have not looked at it. Look at the bag. Look at the bag that it comes in. So pretty. Okay. Oh my goodness. You guys, I got a denim bag. I've been wanting this bag when I first saw it at Saks in the Gucci store. Oh my goodness. I wanted this so bad. They also have a cap that matches this, and I stood there and debated if I wanted it or not. And I told myself no, because I already got that multi-pochette not that long ago, a couple months ago. And before that, I got this bag down here 3 months before that. And I figured this, I don't need another bag, or no, I don't need anything else. I can put that on my list for later. So I want the cap that matches this, and it has the trimming on it as well. But look how pretty that is. Hopefully there's nothing wrong with this, because I got this in the mail. So I saw it at Saks and I knew I wanted it, but I didn't pull the trigger on it because I had just gotten my multi-pochette. And I figured, well, maybe for my birthday, maybe, even though my husband said that other one was for my birthday as well, but he spoils me, you guys. He does. He does a good job of taking care of me. And let's see, I'm not going to do any mod shots today because I didn't find me a mirror yet. That's another thing that I need. Did not get me a mirror yet. I will eventually do that for this room. Wow. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. I love, love, love the denim so, so much. And here is the booklets. Why is there 3? Well, I never understood that. There's like 3 booklets, and it always comes with these little cards. And oh, I like how it has a little hook for your bag. And you guys, let me see. I guess I was going to check to see if my cell phone fit in it, but that's what I'm videoing it on. Let me see what I can compare it with. Okay, let me compare it with my double zip. So just so you guys can see what size it is. Okay, because I know the luxury community knows what a double zip looks like. So as you can see here, the double zip is taller and probably a little bit longer. Well, yeah, a little bit longer, not by much though. You can kind of see it sticking out right there. See that? But look at that. Oh, you guys. Oh my goodness. I love, love, love the brown on this. And I love little bags. Actually, I love little bags, big bags, whatever. But, you know, when I want to carry my little bags and I don't want to carry a lot, I will have this bag to do so. It's so cute. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. I love it. Okay. I want to get me a Gucci bandeau to maybe tie on this bag and my Gucci backpack here. I was looking at one of the bandeaus and it has the GGs on it, and I was thinking it would look so cute if I tied it on this bag, since this bag is just plain and black. I put charms on this bag all the time, but it would just look so pretty with a Gucci bandeau. I love this bag. Okay. Oh my goodness, this is so adorable, you guys. So adorable. It's got a little back pocket, or a little pocket here, and one big pocket here, and then a pocket here for maybe to put your card holder. The inside is micro lining in there, so it's like a, I don't know what color that is, like a nude color inside. It's almost like a nudish, brownish, pinkish, and it says on here, so this bag is made in Italy, you guys. Ooh, this is so pretty. Okay, so I do have a Gucci card holder. I'm gonna see if this fits right into that pocket. Okay, perfect. It fits right into that pocket, you guys. So now that I have everything here, I just pick out my stuff and pull it out. Talk about cute with my Gucci slides. Oh my goodness. I'm going to look so cute in this. I can't wait to wear it, you guys. I can't wait to wear these together. It's going to look so cute. Oh my goodness. So pretty. So anyways, you guys, thank you guys for watching my video. I'm so sorry I had to turn on my fan. I'll try to look for a quiet fan so I don't have to hear it, or you guys don't have to hear it. So you guys, thank you for watching my unboxing and my birthday unboxing, and you guys have a wonderful day, and God bless.